Hello everyone, welcome to Super RC Geeks channel. I am Hudson, a 15-year RC fan. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share. This is a giant FPV carrier plane I designed 10 years ago. I think this plane led a trend of twin motors designed those years. After this plane, numerous twin motors FPV planes came out. For example, the Believer, Nimbus, Albatross, Clouds and Goose. However, the commercial record is not so good, due to its name Eyesore 1 and the high cost. If it is still in production, it might be a very good bomber. This is the big one with 2.5 meters wingspan, 1.6 meter length, and two 2820 Sunesky motors. The maximum thrust is 5.5 kilograms and maximum takeoff weight is 10 kilograms. Due to its super long wingspan, the stall speed is quite slow. As what is shown in the video, it has a quite big payload loading space. However, the long wingspan also leads to a serious problem. Due to the insufficient of EPO wing rigidity, the wing tip will twist during high-speed cruising. The twisted wing will offset the Illyrian effect and lead to roll uncontrollable and crash. I spent quite a long time to locate the cause of problem and solve it. After this $70,000 lesson, I turn my energy back to a pure RC fan. I purchased 5 RC jets, such as Sport Jet Savanta, Viper, and Scale Jets F-16 Falcon, Yak 130. The shocking sound of turbine engines will turn on every big boy. Now as a YouTuber, I will share more interesting ways of playing RC models. Please subscribe for more update.